Okay, my name is Julianne Hastings, and for my Technology in the Classroom project, I built a class website that has many of the specific requirements for the final project, well, hopefully all of them. It was a difficult process. I had to teach myself quite a bit, but I completed this, and I also completed an art teacher portfolio website for interviews, and I actually showed both of these sites to my now future employer, and they were very impressed with I don't know, my technological skills. For the units and lessons in this project, I leaned heavily on constructionist ideas, like by those of Kafai and Darwin. I really found them useful when looking for games and websites that could get students interested and engaged. So there are a couple things that I'm going to point out. We have the student gallery, which I have reconstructed that one actually. But I have a technology hub. We put the calendar, art resources, teacher bio, various sites and tools such as Edmodo, which is something like Twitter for smaller micro worlds. We've got Remind to help students and parents stay connected. Kahoot's a big one. That was the first game that I was introduced to this last school year, and I find it very engaging, and also it can be used in a constructivist manner because students can create their own quizzes and give them to friends. So, sorry. I also have 3 of the units that we covered this year. The MLK project, which was a poster project that I flipped as a lesson. The Van Gogh project. These are both group projects, and they were developed specifically to fit the criteria of the assignments, and I think that the Van Gogh one I have not yet done. The MLK one worked really well in groups. Over to the left here, we have resources and links, TV, video, gaming, instructional theories in case parents are interested. Also, Tech Talk, that's a big one, and as a teacher who battled cell phones all year, it made me look at things in a different way. Before we leave this site, we also have the Common Core State Standards, the syllabus, rules and guidelines, the homework calendar, and the newsletter from June, which was my last one. Also, one of my favorites over here is a virtual museum tour, and my contact info. So from this site, all of the links are in one spot. Next year, I am teaching at a school that does not use Google, so I'm going to have to spend the next 6 weeks really gearing up for that, because they seem to think that Google is taking students' information, and they really think that Apple is preferable, and I'm sure I will find the same thing. But in order to show you the other thing I did this semester, in the last 8 weeks, is this teacher portfolio website. And it just has the highlights of stuff that my students completed. We've got my resume, classroom tour, which allowed my potential employers to get a real clear idea of what my world looked like and what it would look like at their school. We've got a teaching demo that I used from TPA4. It's very long. We've got student shows. We had a busy spring and had a professional gallery this year, which was wonderful. And also we have on here lesson plans, evaluations, my personal portfolio, and contact information. And I find they're not that interested in personal portfolios. But so that is an overview of both of the websites that I have created. And my name was Julianne Hastings for Technology in the Classroom. Thank you.